My face literally feels like it's melting off. It's so fucking hot. Jasmine needs to come on. Like, oh, let's go now. I don't understand why you mad. It's not even raining no more. You look cute though. Real foxy brownish. In Brooklyn, waiting for this damn Uber. Hopefully it drops us off at the right place, cause I don't know, that address didn't look right to me. Say hi. Wow. Girl. Hey, best friend.
Oh, hey.
You're really annoying. And he got apartment buildings, he got houses, he got lots. Hey. Okay, hey. Hey. Okay. Hey.
Yeah, he's trying.
Get it. Oh, hey.
Inner mouth.
Oh. Go ahead, Kira.
Y'all won't have me on another motherfucking.
I got what you got, an iPhone? Yeah. Look it up. What G? What's your name? Justin. Yo, Just, what up, G? You alright? Chris.
What, nigga?
That's not what he told me.
Darkest fuck out here. You don't see nobody out here.
You said nobody out here.
It's dark as hell. You can't see nobody. Morning, guys. Don't mind the radio. My mother has the radio on, but yeah, a lot was going on last night. I know you guys are like, girl, these clips is all over the place, but I went to a barbecue with my friends. Friends from Lincoln, I know Ashley, LaShawn, Crystal, Shakira, Michael, and my best friend Jasmine came. It was just like a little cookout that Lincoln students have every year, like these two organizations. It was cool, it was ratchet, you know. So I didn't really like film a lot, and yeah, I was mad tipsy, I was mad sleepy, so I was like, yeah, I'm ready to go. The food was they had these boiled ass hot dogs. I'm like, this is supposed to be a cookout, like why is there not cookout food? I mean, it was cookout food, but like it wasn't no grilled food. Like, well, when we got there, it wasn't no grilled food because the barbecue started from 4 to 1 a.m. We didn't get there until like damn near 9 o'clock, like because me and my best friend went to Brooklyn. Well, it was in Brooklyn, but me and my best friend went to go meet Ashley and LaShawn and them at the hotel, and the hotel was in Brooklyn. Then we took an Uber or a Lyft, whatever that was, to the event, and yo, that shit was mad far from their hotel. I was like, damn, we was in the Lyft for like a good 25 minutes. So we got to the event. We saw people like that we went to school with from Lincoln. You know, everybody was acting bougie, like they didn't want to speak, but some people did, some people didn't. It is what it is. I wasn't running up to nobody, speaking to nobody. Everybody that I spoke to came up to me, and I don't know like bougie shit, but like that's how people from Lincoln is. Like they be acting fake sometimes, but it was cool for what it was. Like, it was cute. I wish I would have filmed more, but it was mad dark. And then it was just like I was seeing my friends. We was chilling. Like, you know, I'm not about to have a camera in their face like the whole time that we did. So it was like some clips that y'all saw a little bit from like Snapchat too. So when we was in the cab, some we was in the hotel, whatever. But it was cute. But I'm about to get up and actually go to church today because I haven't been to church in a minute, like a minute. And then me and my mother is gonna go to the movies, and we celebrated my mom getting her driver's license. I'm mad proud of her. Like, I'm gonna have her talk to y'all a little later or whatever about her experience. But I'm happy for her. Like, it's never too late to do anything. So yeah, we're gonna celebrate that. I know I'm like Zed right now, but yeah, I'm about to just get dressed and then go to church and then the movies. And I don't know if we're gonna get food or anything yet, but we'll see. I just wanted to step in and talk to y'all and let y'all know what's up. So I know I haven't been posting like a real regular videos lately. Like, it's been like 2 months, but don't worry, they're coming. I just haven't been like in the reading mood. Like, you know how you like in a rut a little bit, and I'm just like, I don't feel like reading. So I've been listening to a lot of music though. Have y'all heard of Nicki's new album, Queen? Bitch, Barbie Dreams. Sis, real guy, I like Barbie Dreams. I like Ganja Burns. I like LLC. I like shit, what was the other song? The song with The Weeknd. I can't think of the name of the song that she got with The Weeknd. I like that one. The song with Foxy Brown, Coco Chanel, I like that one. There was some other ones I like too, but I can't remember all the names of all the songs. But I'm feeling it. Like, you know, I don't know if y'all know, but I used to be a Nicki stan when she first came out. Then I stopped liking her, but like I never was like completely wrote Nicki off. It was just like, Nicki, I'm not feeling this right now. Let me see what else you got. But this album is definitely giving me like old Nicki vibes, like when she first came out, and mixtape vibes for real. Like, yeah, I definitely heard Roman on this album, and I fucks with it, even though Nicki be feeling herself a little too much sometimes. But you know what? It is what it is. So I like it. Who other album? Somebody else's music came out recently. YG. I like YG's album. I haven't got a chance to listen to every single song, but I like Handgun, of course, Big Bang, Soup. Shit, it was another song too that I like from him. I gotta look, but yeah, I really been just listening to a lot of music. You know, of course, Drake's album. Been listening to that nonstop. So no pun intended, because he has a song on the album called Nonstop, but. I'm such a cornball. Anyway, let me get ready, and I'll talk to y'all later in a few. All right, I'm back. That was fast, right? It actually wasn't that fast, because you know this is YouTube time. You know. Anyway, yeah, this is how my hair looks. I got my hair done on Friday. It's cute, I guess. Like, I mean, I don't know. I need to do my baby hairs, but then they're gonna sweat out anyway, so it's no point. But yeah, I just got this like peplum top on that you really can't see, but yeah, it's like a black peplum top. I got on some blue, what you call these pants, like blue dress pants. These little chains I got from was it for Forever 21 or was this from no, yeah, this was from Forever 21. And then I'm gonna wear this black long cardigan type situation from Pretty Little Things. I'm thinking about doing a haul of stuff that I've been buying recently, because it's been like really shopping for real. Oh, and I got these earrings from Forever 21 too, because I don't know if y'all remember, and if you've been watching my vlogs for a long time, I used to have these big massive hoop earrings, and I lost one on 4th of July. That was 2016, and I'm just still mad about that, because I just can't find that size hoop anymore. But I guess these are heavier. These feel more like metal. Those other ones, they were like kind of plasticky, but they were nice though, and I'm still sad that I lost them. I'm not wearing no makeup today. Yeah, because yesterday I wore makeup and it was cute or whatever. It came together real nicely, you know, but I'm the type of person that's always touching my face, which is a bad thing. And yeah, I just ain't been doing the makeup thing a lot lately, but it was cute for what it was yesterday. But I'm gonna do more makeup videos. So if you're here for my makeup videos and stuff like that, I got you. I know y'all noticed that I changed my name on YouTube, because even though I'm still beauty and I love all things beauty and stuff like that, my channel is not completely focused on beauty anymore. It is definitely a lifestyle channel, because you know I talk about books, I talk about beauty, I do vlogs and stuff like that. So that's why it's the Yoko experience. Like, y'all are experiencing things through my lens. So yeah, I just think it's a better name and stuff like that. And I'll do more of like a update video soon, so you guys could hear why I changed a lot of things on my channel and stuff like that. But thank you guys for my loyal subscribers, been rocking out with me for these last couple of years. I really appreciate it. We reached 500 subscribers, road to 1,000. What's good? Okay, and I'm just hyped, but thank you for all the people that have been supporting me and that's just been sticking with me even when I don't post videos and stuff like that. I really bangs with y'all. So yeah.
Not because we worthy of deserving, but because of His amazing grace. We call it amazing because we don't know how to define it. Don't know how to say it right. We just know it's beyond our comprehension. His grace is truly amazing. Yes. And every time we come to this second Sunday, we come around this Lord's Day. And we concentrate, think about just the price that Christ has paid for us. We know it's because of His grace. Yeah. All the things that we failed to do that we should have done. Yeah. Those things that we did that we know we should not have done. Those places we thought we should not have gone. Those things we failed to do that we should not have failed to do. God loves us so much, He sent Jesus in and out to pay our price. His grace is truly amazing.
This your boy Vito, Buck King. And I'm about to give us some music, y'all. Let's get do it like me. Let's get do it like me. Put your right leg up, left leg up.
No, we run this. We run this mother. We run this mother. We run this mother.
Another one of my favorite parts of Rihanna's gonna get mad is when I was walking over here and then a bobbleheaded Wait, man. And then Isabella, another funny part is Isabella. I mean, Brandon and Maggie.
Isaiah, do I look like a boy to you?
Yeah.
I like.
Are you? Mira, man.
If you don't know the
Remember, which
difference
one?
between
Which
a
one?
and a girl, you need
Right
to
here.
watch your face.
You remember?
Yo, you like you gotta poop. Why are you doing that?
I like when London got a 5-win streak.
Yeah, she a beast in Street Fighter.
I also like when You know my favorite part?
You know what Isaiah's favorite part? Spending time with Angel.
Spending time with Asia.
You know what happened? I'm just kidding. My favorite part was yesterday. Me and Melody were talking and she kept getting hit in the face with a ball.
Oh yes.
I like when Melody pooped on herself.
No, she did not poop. What is wrong with you?
I like when Melody. I like when Melody. She was trying to act tough. I remember we were going down the gym together because I was doing something with this.
Ow. Jeez. He what?
Yes.
Sure. About what? Something serious? Okay.